Welcome back to the Form Manager training playlist. In this video, we'll learn about how to use the file elements. Let's add a file element to the form in the build view. To start, we'll give the element a title which we'll call Request for Academic Proposals. Next, under the File Settings section, there is a field titled File Upload Placeholder. We can enter text here that provides our users with instructions on what kind of file they should submit. This field is totally optional, and any file the user uploads will replace the text entered here. Below is the maximum file size and allowed file extensions. The maximum file size is capped at 5 megabytes. We can adjust the limit to accept smaller file sizes as well. Underneath that is the allowed file extensions, which specify what file formats users may attach to the form. We have several different formats available by default, but for this form, let's just enter PDF, DOC, and DOCX. Now, finally flipping over to the live version of the form, we can see that the file element is available and ready to use. And that's all you need to know about the file element. In the next video, we'll walk through how to use the field set element.